Some homes you buy for the location, others for the upgrades. This one, you buy it because it has everything and you don't have to lift a finger. Some homes look like a deal until you add up the cost and the time of updating them. This Stoughton beauty, it's 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and fully renovated from top to bottom in 2024. It's the kind of move-in ready value you won't have to fix or upgrade for years. The moment you step inside, you'll see what sets it apart. Open, sun-filled spaces with hardwood floors throughout. Your dining room flows right into a chef's kitchen with a center island, stone countertops, and stainless steel appliances. It's the kind of space that makes entertaining easy and everyday living just a little more special. Need a home office, a playroom, or a second living area? This bonus room gives you options. Upstairs, your primary suite comes with its own private bath. No more morning waiting lines here. And with 3 full bathrooms, everyone gets their own space. Everything here is new. Newer windows, new heating system with central AC, new kitchen, new baths, and even a brand new leaf guard gutter system. You get the peace of mind of a fully updated home without the stress or hidden costs of a renovation. And the location? It can't be beat. Just a 2-minute drive or a 9-minute walk to the commuter rail station into Boston. So you're not just buying a home, you're buying time back in your day and your life. When you compare the updates, the location, and the move-in ready convenience, this home is just smart. I'm Shalaye with Vital Source Realty, and I'd love to show you why this home should be your next address.